Continue with exercise 7D, coordinate geometry, question number 12. Here we have a point P, M, 3, which lie on the line which join A this one and B this one. Find the value of M. Here we have a line which join the 2 points. Then we have to find the value of point. That means we have point A, point B, then in between these two we have point P. Since we have coordinate, here again we have to use area of triangle, because you see that means we have A and B. Okay, then P somewhere in the middle. So if you see like that, that means they all lie in the same line. So if they are in the same line, that means they are collinear. So if the 3 points are in the same line, that means they are collinear, which means the area of triangle will be equal to 0. So in that way we can find it. Okay, area of triangle, you know, half base into height. So if we take minus 2 by 5, it will become inside bracket 6 minus 8. Then if we take 2, it will become 3 minus 6. Then if we take M, it will become 6 minus 8. So after we replace, let us see how we can do. Here both are number, we can minus. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 8 is greater, so it will be minus 2M. This 2 as usual, because area is 0, we can transfer the other side. Here both number we can minus. 8 minus 3 we can get 5. Then 3 minus 6, 6 is greater. Both number we can minus, we'll get minus 3. So here 5 up, 5 down, we can cancel. So we get minus 2M minus 2 minus 6. This 2 has no M, we can transfer the other side. Both are minus, we can plus, we get 8. So M will be 8 divided by minus 2. So that means the value of M is minus 4. Then next we go to number 13. We have area of triangle already given to be 5. 2 vertices, we have 2 and 1. Then coordinate of second is 3 minus 2. Then the third vertex, we don't know the vertices, but they only tell us that y is equal to x plus 3. So we have to find the coordinate of the third vertex. So since they give us the area of triangle, we will make use of that only. Okay, so the first vertex we know, the second we know, then the third one we don't know. So if we don't know, let us consider its coordinate to be x and y. So now let us find the area of triangle. If we take 2, here it will become minus 2 minus y. Okay, take with this one. Then the second will be 3, it will be y minus 1. Then the third one, x, it will be 1 minus minus 2, still equal to 5. So this is 2. Since in 2 here, divide here, we can cross multiply it the other side. So 2 into 5 will be 10. Leave it that one first for the time being. Okay. Then here, one alphabet, one number. We cannot plus. So we have to multiply. 2 into minus 2, 2 into y. Here also one alphabet, one number. So we have to multiply. 3 into y, 3 into minus 1. Minus minus plus, 1 plus 2 will become 3. So 3 into x will be 3x. Then y and 3x we cannot do anything. This 7 we can transfer the other side. So 10 plus 7 will be 17. Then they already say that the third vertex is y equal x plus 3. So that means here in place of y, we can replace x plus 3. This one we get from the question. Okay, so now we can solve for x. This one has no x, we can transfer the other side. So 3x plus 1x, 4x. So x will be 14 divided by 4. It will be equal to 7 by 2. We get x. Now we have to find y. So let's replace it in this one, okay? Because they only say y equal x plus 3. So in place of x, we already get 7 by 2. We have fraction. We find LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. 2 divided 2, 1. 1 into 7, 7. 1 divided 2 will be 2. 2 into 3, 6. 7 plus 6, we have 13 by 2. So the coordinate of the third vertex is 7 by 2, comma 13 by 2. So those. When we remove the modulus, okay, when we remove the modulus, then the value this side will become plus and minus. So if we take with plus 10, then we get this two value, 7 by 2 and 13 by 2. So now let us see for the next one. If we take, instead of plus 10, we take minus 10. So this one remains same, okay? Y minus 7 plus 3x, only here we get minus 10 now. So let us see what are the next sets of value. So y and 3x left at 1. This is minus. Spread this side become plus. 1 minus 1 plus we minus. Then as usual from the question already given, y equal x plus 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. This is plus. Take that side become minus. Both minus we have to plus. 6 by 4 divided by 2. We get minus 3 by 2. Then to get y, replace it again in this given question. So in place of x, we put minus 3 by 2. Take LCM of 2 and 1, 2. 2 divided 2, 1. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 divided 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2. So the next coordinate is 7 by 2 or and 13 by 2. Then next we have question number 14. We have to find the value of A, the area of triangle. The vertices also they give, area also they give 10. We only have to find the value of A. So since they give us a formula for area of triangle, then we can use that. So we know area of triangle is equal to half base into height, which is equal to 10. So we apply the area. Here we have A, it will become 6 minus 1. Then if we use minus 2, it will become 1 minus 2A. Then if we use 3, it will become 2A minus 6. So let's see what we can do after that. Here both number 6 minus 1, 5, we can minus. Here one alphabet, one number. So we cannot minus, we have to multiply. Minus into plus minus, 2 into 1, 2. Minus to minus plus, 2 into 2, 4A. Then here also one alphabet, one number. We cannot minus, we can multiply. 3 into 2, 3 into 6. Then this 2, because here divide. If you take the other side, become multiply. So we transfer it this side, 2 into 10, 20. So now let us try to find out A. Leaving A one side, the other side we transfer, okay? 5A, 6A, both are plus. 4A, all 3 plus, so it will be 10, 15A. Then here minus 18, minus 20, both minus, we plus, but sign remains same. Minus 20. Then when we remove that modulus, again this side we have plus minus, okay? So now we can separate for this 2. This minus, take that side, become plus. There are two possible, one for plus 20, another for minus 20. So 15A equal 20 plus 20. It will be 40 divided by 15. If you can cancel there, then if you take for minus 20, then we will get A equal to 0. So the two possible values for A are 8 by 3 and 0. Then again number 15, they give other vertices 1, minus 3, 4, P, minus 9, 7. Area is given to be 15 square unit. So we have to find value of P. We know area, so we use that formula only, half base into height, which is equal to 15. So if you take the area, if you take this 1, 1, then inside bracket P minus 7. If you take 4, it will be 7 minus 3 will be 10. Then if you take minus 9, it will be minus 3 minus p. After replacing the value, let's see what we can do. Then remember this 2, we can cross multiply this side, so 2 into 5 it will be 10. Then next we remove the modulus, so here will come plus and minus. Okay, here one number, one alphabet, we cannot minus, so we multiply. Here both number we can plus, minus to minus become plus, so 7 plus 3 will be 10. 10 into 4 will be 40. Here one alphabet, one number, we cannot minus, so we multiply. Minus to minus plus, 9 into 3 27. Minus to minus plus, 9 into p, 9p. So to find out p, leave p one side, the other transfer the other side. So here we have p and 9p both plus, so 9 plus 1 will be 10. 40 plus 27, it will be 67. Minus 7, it will be 60. Plus, take the other side, become minus. So now also time spread, 1 for plus, 1 for minus, only in front of 30. Okay, so if you take plus, it will become 30 minus 60. We get minus 30 by 10 because minus is greater. 10 we bring this side, it will be minus 3. Then if we take for minus, now both minus with plus, divide by 10, we get minus 9. So the two value for p are minus 3 and minus 9.